Hey everybody, and how you are doing now? Welcome back. So today we are going to be going through Anime Vanguard's fix Paragon mod not giving rewards. So this is going to be a step-by-step process, and I will be providing you every required information about this. So what you can do is, before we begin, you can subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that already, since we are regularly uploading this type of videos. Now, Anime Vanguards offer players a very diverse tower defense experience. In addition to many unique units, you have a choice of different stages. Each of them offers various challenges and corresponding rewards. Now, if you talk about the rewards that you're going to be getting, so you need to unlock your Paragon stages. So even though the Paragon mod is more challenging, it is not more difficult to unlock than other mods. Once you unlock these mods, you will be eventually get to know that it is going to be giving you some rewards. Now, if you are facing any type of difficulties and rewards are not being availed, then it could be some technical fault at the end of client side. So make sure that your internet is working perfectly fine and everything seems to be good. So it is actually set to different difficulty levels, nightmare or normal. So you are going to be going through that, and I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. And if it does, consider subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more. See you guys around in the next video.